This time check is brought to you by Kidney Care. Likay ang dialysis o ubang problema sa kidney. Mag-Kidney Care.
This time check is brought to you by Silca Whitening Deodorant. Kilik-kiling puting walang budol with Silca Whitening Deodorant.
This newscast is brought to you by Solmux for Kids. Ang pang-agap sa cough bago lumala.
Malasakit, likas sa puso ng Pilipino, sa ngiti o luha, handang magbigay ng aruga sa oras ng pangangailangan. Nagbibigay ng lunas, nagtatanim ng pag-asa at pagmamahal. Maging mahabagin kayo sa isa't isa at magpatawad tulad ng pagpapatawad sa inyo ng Diyos. Ephesians 4:32. Malasakit, ikaw ay Extraordinary Pinoy, brought to you by MX3 Coffee and Tea.
MX3, tunay, natural at original.
This time check is brought to you by Vita Keratin. Use Vita Keratin for gandang salon-lasting hair. That time check was brought to you by PCSO. PCSO, hindi umuurong sa pagtulong. This newscast is brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Maligayang beer months mula sa San Miguel Beer.
Heart disease, parehas sa heart attack o cardiac arrest. Numero 1 nga rason kung aning namatay sa sakit dinhi sa Pilipinas. Mag-Life Extension Vitamin D3 na mo. Rekomendado sa sa mga medical doctors. Aprobado sa FDA Philippines o FDA USA. Mapalit sa mga butika.
This news is brought to you by Farix Vitamin B1, B6, B12. Farix-ited. This newscast is brought to you by iBerry. Adunay Bilberry para sa mata nga hait ug tinaw. This time check is brought to you by Protect. Freshness every day. This time check is brought to you by Goodnam Fresh Gata. This time check is brought to you by Farix Vitamin B1, B6, B12. Farix-ited. That portion was brought to you by Centrum Advance. Alagang di magkukulang.